How to change notification sounds for each apps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys what you can do if you're not able to change notification for each of your apps on your Samsung device. Let's get started. So if I open my phone settings and head over to my app section and open any random app right here. So let's say if I open Among Us. Among Us does not have inbuilt notification settings, so I'm just gonna choose any of my social media sites. So let's say if I just open Discord and go to notifications, I don't have any any settings that allows me to change notification in Discord. So what this will do is I won't be able to change notification sound of my Discord's notification. So in order to change this, what you need to do is head back to your settings and go to your notification sections and tap on advanced settings. Now this is the very important step that you cannot miss, which is you have to turn on this option right here, manage notification categories for each app. Once you turn it on, notification categories menu will appear on the notification setting screen for each apps. Now let's check. If we go back to our app settings, I'm just going to open my app settings right here. Then I'm just going to open Discord again for the same reference. If I open Discord and go to notification, now I have the notification categories. So if I tap on it, I can change my real-time notification, my social notifications, my direct message notification, and I can choose different sounds from here as well. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video.